Hello my dear students, welcome back to Biology at Priyajit. Today we are going to master an important topic of your botany syllabus, that is plant water relation. This is extremely important for undergraduate, postgraduate and various competitive exams like NEET, SLATE, etc. So let us begin. What is water potential? Let's begin with the concept of water potential. Water potential tells us the direction of water movement. Water always moves from higher water potential to lower water potential. It has four components. Number one is solute potential, number two is pressure potential, number three is gravitational potential, and number four is metric potential. So we know that pure water has water potential value is 0, and if we add solutes and which makes the water potential negative. So always remember, more solute means lower water potential. So ascent of sap. Now how does water move from roots to leaves? The most accepted explanation in this context is the cohesion tension theory proposed by Henry Dickson and John Jolly. The key driving force is transpiration pull. Three important forces work together during the process of ascent of sap. First one is the cohesion. The water molecules stick together, then adhesion, water sticks to xylem walls, and then transpiration pull, which creates a negative pressure. This continuous pull helps water rise in tall trees. Transpiration, we know that transpiration is the loss of water vapor from the leaves. It is basically three types: stomatal, which is the major type, number two is cuticular transpiration, and number three is lenticular transpiration. So stomata open and close due to movement of potassium ion or K plus. So there are factors affecting transpiration in internal factors and external factors. Internal factors include number and distribution of stomata, percentage of open stomata, water status of the plant and canopy structure, etc. External factors include light, temperature, humidity, wind speed, etc. Importance: we know that transpiration creates a transpiration pool which helps in cooling of the plant and assists in mineral transport. This is the process of transpiration. Here root absorbs water from the soil, then stems draws the water up, and then unused water evaporates from the leaf surface. Phloem translocation. Now let's move to food transport. Phloem transports organic food like sucrose from leaves, that is source is leaves, and sink, which could be roots or fruits or growing tissues. So important point: transport is bidirectional, but each sieve tube carries flow in one direction at a time. So composition of phloem sap. Phloem sap mainly contains sucrose, amino acids, hormones and ions. It has high osmotic concentration, which is important for the water movement. So there is a pressure flow model. This transport is explained by the pressure flow hypothesis, which is proposed by Ernst Mach. Here is how it works, how this pressure flow model works. Sugar is actively located at the source. Water enters via osmosis, then high pressure develops and sap moves towards low pressure sink, and then sugar is unloaded. So movement occurs due to pressure gradient. Phloem loading and unloading. At the source, sugars are actively loaded into phloem. The pathways could be symplastic, where it occurs through plasmodesmata, and it could be apoplastic when transportation occurs via transporter proteins. So at the sink, sugars are unloaded and used or stored. So final summary, you can conclude that water moves by water potential gradient. Ascent of sap is the reflection of cohesion tension theory. Transpiration drives water movement, and food transport is supported by the pressure flow model. So movement of water from source to sink occurs. So my dear students, if you found this lecture, this video helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Biology at Priyajit for more plant physiology classes. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class.